Welcome to Scout. This quick start shows how Scout helps you move from monitoring to insights. Existing users can quickly connect their monitoring stack and ITSM tools by simply generating an access token. My Observability gives you a real-time view of how your systems are performing. It brings together key health indicators so you can quickly understand what's stable and what needs attention. My Cloud helps you understand your monitored cloud environment, giving visibility into resources and their current state. Manage monitoring points is where you decide what data Scout collects. You can define and adjust monitoring points to ensure the right signals are being tracked. Manage apps lets you organize and control the applications connected to your monitoring setup. Analyze it uses an agentic workforce to transform monitoring data into insights. Each agent is designed to focus on a specific type of analysis, working together to surface patterns, changes, and priorities automatically. The AGI module allows you to create and manage AI agents. From here, you can create new agents tailored to your monitoring and analysis requirements. From monitoring to analysis, Scout helps you understand what's happening and what to do next.